Let's crochet a beautiful rose flower basket, perfect for gifts or home decor. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lovely crochet tutorials. Let's start with the base of the basket. For round 1, make a magic ring and crochet 8 single crochets into it, then slip stitch to close. Great start! Round 2, chain 1 and make 2 single crochets in each stitch, 8 increases in total. This helps expand your base evenly. Now for round 3, repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 8 times. It's shaping up nicely. Round 4 is a sequence of SC, ink, SC, repeated 8 times. Keep your tension even for a smooth circle. In round 5, we're doing 3 single crochets followed by an increase. Repeat this 8 times, you're expanding beautifully. Next up, round 6, 2 SC, increase 2 SC. This will give a balanced shape to your basket base. Round 7 is easy, just 1 single crochet in each stitch. You're reinforcing the round and giving structure. Time for round 8, 5 single crochets, then an increase. Repeat that 8 times. The walls of the basket are forming. Round 9 is all double crochets and back loops only. This will create a crisp edge to start the wall of the basket. In round 10, alternate front loop and back loop double crochets. It adds a lovely textured pattern. Flip the order in round 11, back loop first, then front loop. Texture lovers, this one's for you. For round 12, begin with a slip stitch, then continue alternating front loop and back loop double crochets. You're almost there. To make the rows, chain 24, skip the first 2 chains, then repeat double crochet, chain double crochet 8 times. These arches will turn into petals. In round 2, chain 1, work 3 half double crochets, then slip stitch. Repeat this 8 times. Roll the strip from one end to form the rows. Start your calyx with a magic ring and make 5 half double crochets. This forms the base for the green star shape. Now for the leafy tips, chain 5, skip 1, and work back with slip stitch, single crochet, half double double crochet, then slip stitch into the base. Repeat 5 times to make all points. Now crochet a strap as long as you like. Use single crochets or any stitch you love. Just make sure it feels sturdy and comfortable. Your rose flower basket is now complete. If you love this project, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun and beautiful crochet tutorials. See you next time.